We see our lives in a linear fashion, but nothing could be further from the truth. Each major event is like a fork in the road, a branch in the trees that leads off in a vastly different direction. Time is merely a product of the person who views it. Our life story is not a fact, it is just a narrative that we invent as we go along. And the events that shape us, these random events, can alter our lives in unexpected ways that affect the course that our life will take. I'll give you the example of my dog Muggsy. I got her as an 8-month-old puppy. And she was very friendly, wanting to play with other dogs, but the neighbour's dog mauled her savagely. I saved her. On another occasion, I was outside, and again the neighbour's dog attacked her and mauled her savagely. Later on, I got a new dog. I was outside with Muggsy and my new dog, Space Boy, and this neighbour's dog, Chloe, attacked Space Boy. On this third occasion, Muggsy didn't try and play. She didn't balk at the aggression. She attacked this dog and tried to kill it. She lashed onto its face and tore it all up very viciously. From that day to this, Muggsy attacks all dogs on sight. But how does this pertain to humans? What of all of those kind gestures and kind words, and all the cruelty and cruel words that we experience through our lives? All the events, how do they change us? How do they change the course of our lives? It's hard to judge. But I remember what an art teacher once told me and a group of students. He said to me, "You think you're artists because you're talented, but in fact, when you were children and not doing very well at maths, someone said to you, 'Yes, that's a nice drawing.'"
Pull back.